All right, so I'm gonna show you how to make a bot for hotel services, Airbnb services, not services, companies, and give you, if you're in that niche, I think bots for those niches are probably the best. All right, for local businesses, you know, would would a would a like what's it called like a construction detailer, not a construction, like a construction contractor would really need a bot like that? Probably not, unless you got a different way of the bot working, which could be very helpful. But I did just wake up, so I'm gonna be a little slow. But I'll try not to cut anything out. I'll try to go as in detail as I can. All right, so you guys don't miss a single thing. All right, so let's go edit it. All right, and let's go. Uh, stop. Let's go. All right, everybody's talking about AI chatbots, but nobody's talking about how to make them. And when they do, it's a little iffy. They talk a little too much. I mean, they don't talk enough. All right, so how we're gonna start this off is making it say hello. So start with start a node. Let's start this. So you want to add a card right here. Make sure it's text, and I'll tell you which each one of these do that I use personally. The texting obviously uh gives you a text. Where the fuck do I put this? I'll just put this right here. Okay, there you go. I just got that right now. All right, so basically what I did is I added a text from right here to the first one. It says, "Hi Mark, I'm your virtual assistant for the day." You just tap that in there, and then just go to the next one. And I chose the multiple choice. You could do the single choice. Just add another one, but um, multiple choice. And the question is, "What may I help you with?" So for Airbnbs, uh, there's many things that they may need help with. I need to ask a question, and if it's I need to ask a question, actually, I'll tell you that in a little bit. Let me do everything else. Where might where might the Wi-Fi password be? Because sometimes Airbnb they have the Wi-Fi passwords written down somewhere. But if you could just ask what is the Wi-Fi password, and it will actually answer it to them, and I will do that. And another big thing, what time can I check in and check out? And there we go. Got all those right there. And what I'm gonna do right now is have this a completely separate thing. All right, and this is gonna be questions. And so for this, I need to ask a question. All right. Bot Press can answer any question if you give it the right information and sources. And I'll tell you how to do that in the later part of the video, uh, but it is very important to have these questions laid out, so because they're not always going to need what time check-in and the password. They might literally have a question and the owner might not be available to answer them immediately. So I'll show you how to get this entire system where it loops, and it's probably the best thing with bot press. Start another node. Where's the Wi-Fi password? Okay, so I just made the second node, and basically what this node is, it's connecting to this first one, where is the Wi-Fi password, and basically it's gonna answer it with this right here. The Wi-Fi password is under the table. Obviously, make sure you know who you're talking to, so you know where all this information is. Make sure you get it on the onboarding call. All right, it's very important. So let's just test it out a little bit. So, hello. Hi, I'm Mark. I'm your virtual assistant for today. What may I help you with? Let's say I need ask question. Okay, let's fix that. Where might the Wi-Fi password be? The Wi-Fi password is right under the kitchen table. Would you like further anything else? Let's say no, and that's it. Boom, boom, Bob. That's how. See how powerful that is. Mute. So I just did that with. Hold up. So with that, it also asked, "Would you like any further assistance?" And basically, if it was a no, it'll end. All right. It was a no, it was an end. If it's a yes, what it will do right now is what else would you like assistance in? It's following this yes right here from right here, asking what would you like assistance in? I have a question. Where do I check her out? So let me show you how to actually get these questions, get the questions from your clients in here. And Bob Press can't give it to them. Basically, what we should do is add a knowledge base, name it whatever, knowledge, and then you would add a document right here, and it will come from your computer. And basically, I don't got a document right now, but what you would like is you wanted a text file. You could do like Google Docs. It would be question and answer in that format. And once you have that uploaded, then Bob Press will start doing his thing, and just let it cook. At that point, just let it cook. And this is very very simple, of course. I just want to give you the very very basics on how to use Bob Press. Obviously, you would like to do way more than what I just did. Okay, I gotta go soon, so I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the most basics functions. So let's restart it again. Hello. Hi, Amora. Let's say where might the Wi-Fi password be? The Wi-Fi is under the kitchen table. Oh, okay. Yes, it should do. I have a question, and then it would capture the variable, and then you would ask the question right here. How old am I? You don't want to do it. And then in the custom knowledge base, if it says 9, and then it'll give you your answer. Obviously, I could have gone way more in depth. And also make sure when you're, when you're doing these nodes, make sure this right here. The point of this is so it can connect. Okay, this is the point of this. Okay, and I just so it can be able to connect to the next one. And if you don't need it to connect, then just press that. All right. Also, make sure you put this as a variable so it can be saved into a database later. All right. And you can use the variable with code, which you can get with ChatGPT, which is very, very simple. And this is the code right here that I'm talking about. Right. Execute code right here. And then you would put code, delete all this. No, delete that. And then you put the code right here. All right. Get a very, very simple thing from ChatGPT. If you have any questions, free feel free to ask me. I'll answer them. Um, anyone, any businesses who might need a chatbot, I'll put my email in the link below so you can ask me those questions. We can book a call and we can go further from there. And that's it about for this